Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to allow fonts permission for a specific site in Chrome on your PC. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process to enable this feature. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome. Step 2. Look for the More button at the top right corner of the Chrome window and click on it. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to the Chrome Settings page. Step 4. On the Settings page, scroll down until you find the Privacy and Security section. Click on it to expand the options. Step 5. Within the Privacy and Security section, locate and click on Site Settings. This will open a new tab dedicated to site settings. Step 6. In the Site Settings tab, scroll down until you find Additional Permissions. Click on it to access additional permission settings. Step 7. Look for the option that says Fonts and click on it. This will allow you to manage font permissions. Step 8. Next to the option, Allowed to use fonts installed on your device, click on Add. Step 9. Finally, add the URL of the specific site for which you want to allow font permissions and click on Add. Congratulations! You have successfully allowed fonts permission for a specific site in Chrome on your PC. Now you can enjoy a customized font experience on your favorite websites. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.